Henry McClure Live. I just got a call from a friend of mine, and the issue was ready to serve. The water bills. So for everybody that's got a water meter and then they're not using it, they got to pay $50 a month ready to serve. And I'm going to probably actually end up doing a quarter request just to find out how many of those are there. But look, let's talk about the water department. And let's talk about being mayor. I was talking to a friend of mine in business. He said, well, you know, with the New Deal, it's all ceremonial. Well, that's not so much true. If we had a mayor today that was an activist trying to change policy and not just doing what the chamber says to do and Go Topeka and the Greater Topeka Partnership, if we had a mayor that was actually trying to change policy. So if we have a water department, and I think we could do it without creating a voting position. I mean, it'd be great you run for water commissioner, but there isn't any reason today that we couldn't create a CEO of the water department and have it report directly to council and not go through the city manager. The city manager is hiring his friends, putting his friends in place. And so why do we need layer after layer of people that report up to a guy that is, by saying he needs all these people, he can't do it himself? So if he's overwhelmed, that's one thing. But if you had a CEO of the water department that reports to the council and create its own independent, we hire somebody that knows how to run a water department. The Sylvia Davis, I don't know where she came from. She was promoted under the Steve Wade regime, and I'm not sure that maybe she just doesn't have the qualifications. But listen, here's what's most important is this ready to serve thing is just another way to charge people money. Henry McClure Live. And think about the $3.5 billion we've got in improvements in deferred maintenance. We got to start creating some independent solutions and less things running through the city manager and more things that can run independently.